That day, Lal Ba was in good spirits. He still easily secured a large order worth several million rubles. Today, let's follow the camera and see how local Pakistani companies manufacture underground high-voltage power lines for urban areas. The recycled materials ordered by local workshops can't be used directly yet. They're first processed and stored in the Luodong workshop, matching the winding machine for later processing. Two Lao bus are assigned to work together here to ensure a sufficient supply of raw materials. The processed aluminum wire is set aside for later use. Now at the winding station next door, brand new, high-priced imported equipment is running at high speed. A single aluminum wire, after being wound in a regular pattern, quickly becomes an aluminum wire with a diameter of 3 centimeters. Behind the winding machine is professional sorting equipment. The products are automatically sorted onto wooden rollers. Once the number of rollers reaches a certain design, they are transferred by a small plane, requiring several workers to assist in transporting them to the adjacent packing workshop. Place the raw materials on the rack for later inspection to check the workmanship and quality. I feel that the quality of this wire is already top-notch. Meanwhile, Lao Ba is still mixing insulation materials. Because the working voltage of the wire is above 220 kilovolts, the raw materials used here are not recycled products from workshops, but are directly purchased from large enterprises. He then mixes them thoroughly according to the specified ratio before use. The entire mixing process takes about half an hour. During this break, the craftsman will also use the materials to solidify ... The wire rollers are ready, placed in the designated position on the rotating support. All preparations are complete. Now, let's begin the insulation layer application. The old method is used here, the only difference being the speed achieved through machine control. Initially, manual assistance is needed. The wire moves forward smoothly to the product head position and onto the automatic rollers. The insulation material passes through several output machines to the molding mold. A liquefied heating system is also used on the outside of the mold and wire to ensure the insulation ... The connection between the plastic insulation and the wires is more secure. After a simple adjustment on the speed wheel, Lao Ba will stack them sequentially on the storage wheel and then begin the second insulation layer wrapping. Considering the complex operating environment of these high voltage lines and the very high voltage they transmit to ensure product safety and a service life of up to 20 years, the outer red insulation layer has very high strength in its processing. A wear-resistant layer with some insulation is used to facilitate the design of the outlet position. Equipped with a rapid cooling channel, the product has reached room temperature after passing through the cooling tank. A laser printer is installed at the outlet to print the product model and corresponding markings on the outer casing, making it easy for customers to easily identify the wire specifications later. The wire shaping process is relatively simple thanks to specialized and efficient shaping tools and the coordinated efforts of many experienced craftsmen. Ordinary aluminum wire is transformed into reliable high-voltage wire. Electrical wires serve as a guarantee for the safe use of electricity in countless households.